What's wrong is always available, and so is what's right. We just need to look for it. And, right, what you focus on grows. So if we focus on the negativity, we're going to get more. And we focus on the good, we're going to get more of that. So I remember when I was dating and, looking for a mate, and I remember people asking me like, what do you want in a guy? And I listed all the things I didn't want. Like I would say, well, he can't be this, that, and the other thing. And that was all I was getting. that was all I was that was all I was meaning. I didn't understand what was happening. Then I created a love avatar, right? And I focused on what I actually wanted, right? Like what I actually did want in a man. I started praying for that. I started looking at that every day. And then he appeared. Ta-da! Point is, you get what you focus on. And then what we make things mean. So in that story, I made it mean that what you focus on grows. I got clear on what I wanted. I asked for it with a knowing. When you ask, it is given, right? So when we ask for something, it is given. And then, like, the universe goes to work to give it to us. And then it's our vibration, our frequency that will determine whether or not we get it. Our work, our task is to align with the thing, is align our energy with the thing that we say we want, become worthy of it. Worthy as in, now I look at my love avatar and I think, who do I have to be in order to attract him? And I do the same thing for my business. Anyway, back to what do I make it mean? It means that when I get clear on what I want and I focus on it and detach from the outcome, that's key. Detach from the outcome, trust that it's coming my way, that the universe has my back, it will appear.